Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault restore types or concepts. The restore types or concepts that we are going to discuss are mostly common to any backup tool, but we will majorly focus on Commvault. Let's start with, what is a restore or recovery? A restore or recovery is the process of retrieving backed up data from storage and returning it to its original location, or another location. This is essential for recovering from accidental deletions, data corruption, or system failures. Commvault provides robust data restore capabilities to help you recover lost, corrupted, or deleted data from your backups. What are common restore scenarios? The common restore scenarios would be file recovery, to restore accidentally deleted or corrupted files. System recovery, to restore an entire system after a failure. Application recovery, to restore databases, mailboxes, or other application data. In Commvault, you can first browse for the data, and then restore it. What's the difference between browse and restore? Browse lets you view what data is available in your backups, without actually restoring it. This helps you select exactly what you want to recover. Whereas, restore retrieves the selected data from backup storage, and places it in the desired location. Depending on your needs, Commvault offers several restore types. In-place restore, restores data to its original location. Out-of-place restore, restores data to a different location, or machine. Full restore, recovers all data from a backup set. Granular restore, recovers specific files, folders, or objects, like emails or database records. Before we continue discussing various restore types depending on the agent, let's discuss what are the points that needs to be considered before starting a restore. Environment readiness. Needless to say, ensure the CommServe, media agent, and media library are accessible. Confirm that the destination client, where data will be restored, is available, and has sufficient resources. Backup availability. Verify that a successful backup of the data you want to restore exists. If restoring from older or aged data, ensure the required media is available in the CommServe. Use the List Media feature to identify necessary media. Restore permissions. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to perform the restore. Only users with the appropriate permissions can perform restores. Make sure your account has restore rights for the data you want to recover. Restore destination. Verify if you are restoring in place, to the original location, or out of place, to a different location or client. Restore options. Verify for any specific requirements, like review whether to overwrite existing files, to avoid unintentional data loss. Restore scope and time. Determine if you need to restore the latest backup, or a point-in-time version. For point-in-time restores, specify the correct date and time. Network and connectivity. Ensure network connectivity between the CommServe, media agent, and client, by running check readiness. Media and storage. If restoring from tape, or secondary storage, ensure all required tapes or media are imported and accessible. Once you have covered all the key points, then you can proceed with the restore. Let's discuss various restore types, depending on the agent, the component responsible for protecting a specific data type, such as files, databases, or virtual machines. Let's start with Microsoft Windows File System Agent. These are the available restore options. For an in-place restore, you can restore files or folders to their original location on the same client. In out-of-place restore, you restore files or folders to a different location or a different client. You can also perform point-in-time restore, to restore data, as it existed at a specific time. You can restore data to a network share, or NFS-mounted file system. You can also restore data using a map file. You can restore Windows system state, in place to the original system, or out of place, in which you restore specific components, like registry hives, or sysvolume, to another system for manual recovery. Let's discuss few of the restore options, available in couple of prominent database agents. Microsoft SQL Server Agent. For MS SQL, you can restore the database to the original SQL instance and path, or to a different SQL instance, client, or path. You can restore the database to a specific point in time, using transaction logs. You can also perform partial restore, by restoring specific file groups, or files. You can restore database files as .bak files, for manual recovery. For Oracle Agent, these restore options are available for use. You can restore the database to the original Oracle instance, or restore to a different Oracle instance, or host. You can perform point-in-time restore, to a specific time before an unwanted transaction, or failure. You can restore only the Oracle control file, if required. You can also restore from a backup, with a specific tag. Let's discuss few of the restore options available in Virtual Server Agent. You can restore the entire virtual machine to the original, or a new location. For granular recovery, you can restore individual files, or folders from a VM backup. Restore VM, or files to the original location, for an in-place recovery. For out-of-place recovery, you can restore VM or files to a different location, cluster, or data center. We won't be able to cover all of the agents, but for other agents, for example, Exchange, SharePoint, Unix file system, etc., these recovery options are available. Here is a summary table, for easy view for the agents we discussed. As you see, Commvault provides various options to control how data is restored. To highlight a few: overwrite options, to decide if existing files should be replaced by restored files. You can choose to overwrite only if the backup is newer, or always overwrite, or never overwrite. Rename or redirect, you can restore data to a different folder, or with a different name, to avoid overwriting existent files. Restore from copies. If you have multiple backup copies, primary, secondary, you can choose which copy to restore from. Or, you can leave Commvault to automatically find and restore data from any available backup copy, even if the original storage is unavailable. Filter data. You can exclude certain files or folders from the restore operation. Restore using wildcards. You can use wildcards to restore files matching a pattern, for example, all document files. Pre or post processes. You can run scripts or commands before or after the restore operation. Restore data using a map file. You can map files and folders to different locations during restore. Let's discuss scheduling and managing restores. You can start the restore job right away, or schedule it to run at a specific time. You can assign a priority to your restore job, if multiple jobs are running. From Job Controller, you can track the progress and status of your restore jobs. After a restore, you can review logs and reports to see what was restored, if any errors occurred, and the overall status. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.